Hello, in this tutorial we will learn how to use the new Nutrislice online menu system, which will be replacing the Google Doc forms. For our Haven and virtual learners, parents are currently using Google Docs to order meals. The Nutrislice program will be replacing that starting October 5th. So let's get started and show you how this program works. So let's first go to the main district webpage, www.hempfieldsd.org. Once here, you want to go to the Operations tab. And under the Operations tab, you will find the Food Service Department. Let's click on that. Once you get to the Food Services Department, you will find there are a lot of helpful pieces of information here, but what we're looking for is the school menus, which is over on the left-hand side of the page. Let's click on that. It's going to launch us to the Nutrislice webpage. And the menu we're looking for is the virtual K-12 menu down here at the bottom right-hand corner. So let's click on that. Now please note, Nutrislice is a web-based program, so depending on your internet speed at home and the device you're using, your load times may vary. So once the program has loaded, you will see we're in September. We need to go to October. So let's hit the forward arrow key here. And again, it's going to take a few seconds to refresh. And here we are in October. So this is how the menu is going to look. And please note we have a few changes now that we're doing online ordering. The order cutoff time has changed. So if you're ordering meals to be picked up on this Monday here, we will have to order by Thursday, 9 o'clock p.m. We no longer have ordering capabilities over the weekend. For ordering meals on a Thursday, so let's say you're ordering meals for this coming Thursday, October 8th, you need to order those on Tuesday, October 6th by 9 o'clock. The system shuts off and you can't get into order any meals. So let's do an example. So we're going to order meals. It's Thursday, October 1st. We need to get our meals ordered for this week here, October 5th. So let's get down to breakfast. I'm going to pick the Pillsbury cinnamon waffles. I have one student, so I just need one breakfast. And all of these boxes here have a check mark. And one thing I just want to point out here is these have to remain checked. You can't uncheck any of these. If you do, let's just uncheck the milk. You see the blue bar at the bottom of the page disappeared. I can't add this to the cart, so I got to go back up here and check that box. So these are required items you have to take. So let's add that to our cart. All right, I got my breakfast item. Now I need to get a lunch item. Let's go over here and get the French bread pizza. Now notice my cursor is on this little arrow inside the circle, this little plus sign. That's what you want to look for. So let's click on that. And again, here's our French pizza meal. Again, all of these must be checked. We can't uncheck any of these. If we do, it will not allow us to add it to the cart. So let's go down here and let's add this to the cart. Now please note, Nutrislice is very similar to any online meal program out there, or just in general, if you're shopping online, very similar. Now I've already created my account. As a new user, you'll have to create your own account. It's very simple. It's like a few extra steps to get into and set that up, but it's not hard at all. But I've already done that. So let's go up here to the little shopping bag and let's click that. And as you can see, it's showing what I have in my cart. I have the cinnamon waffles and I have the French bread pizza. So I'm ready to check out. So simply check out. And here we go over here to our order summary. So this is me as the parent, and here's my student's number. So I need to go down here and I want to pick up a site. So I am a elementary parent, so I'm going to go the 9:30 to 10:30. And my student attends Farmdale. So I'm going to put over here the school where I'm coming to pick the meal up. So all I got to do now is hit the submit order. And you will get a confirmation that the meal has been sent. Now from here, you could place another order, or you could simply exit out of the system. Because when you set up an account, you have to put an email address in, you'll get a confirmation email sent to you. Now this order is going to Farmdale Elementary, so the manager will be able to pull this data from Nutrislice and know that this order for Brian Rathgab is for Monday, October 5th, and I ordered cinnamon waffles and French bread pizza. If you have any questions regarding the Nutrislice online ordering system, please feel free to call the food service office at 717-898-5566. We'd be more than happy to help you through this and answer any questions you may have. Thanks, everyone.